Hello children, uh, this is part 2 of our video lesson on construction. So in part 1 you have seen how we have drawn two tangents from an external point to the circle. So one solved example I did, this one unsolved example I am doing from Amil Agrawal's book, exercise 16.1. Question number 1, which is ICSE 2019. So children, this is exactly like before. I don't need to give you much explanation. Only difference is here we have the radius as 4 centimeter in place of 3.5 centimeter. That was, children, ICSE 2011 and this is 2019. So we take radius 4 and draw a circle. So actually you should not hold this part, but since I have got limited space because to my left is the way stand to hang the camera, so this is a very important part. You need to mark the center. So this is 4 centimeter and the distance, if you see, last question was 6 centimeter, now we have 7 centimeter, children. So this distance you have to take one point P outside at a distance of 7 centimeters. So mark this nicely. This point will be P and join with P with O. Then what we do, children? We join OP and with OP as line segment, we draw its perpendicular bisector. So take more than half. Okay. So take more than half, cut it up, as you know how we draw perpendicular bisector. So up and down also. Okay, so you join this with a dotted line. So you have to be very careful, and there will be some 0.1 centimeter difference is generally accepted, but if it is more you will have to redraw it. So we take the perpendicular bisector and call it M, and then if you see, we take this distance. So this was, children, if you see the question, 7 centimeter, so this should be 3.5 both side. So you can check almost, okay, that both the side we have. So we draw a circle here with M as center, second circle, children. So where M cuts the first circle, so second circle where it cuts the first circle, we call it A and B, and we join them. So we join, this is my first tangent, you can produce it, okay, a little bit more also, okay, it can stop here or you can make it more, and here PB it goes this side. They are equal tangent, children. Okay, now last thing is that you have to measure the distance. If you see the distance, it is roughly, I see 5.7, if you see, okay, it's coming to 5.7. so we have to write it with pen, the length of the tangents, the length of the tangents PA is equal to PB is equal to 5.7 centimeter. So once more, this is, we are doing construction of circle and where we have to draw two tangents. We are constructing tangent to a circle, we construct circle also, we construct two tangents. So how we do, children? Once more, we take the circle with the given measurement. In this situation it is 4 centimeter. We draw the circle. From O we produce one line which is 7 centimeter. So the length of OP is 7 centimeter. This is called line segment. Line segment has fixed length. So from there we take perpendicular bisector, we get a point M with M as center. We draw the second circle where we see where the second circle touches the first circle. Those 2 points we mark as A and B, and we join PA and PB. These two are equal tangents, and finally you measure it and we get 5.7 centimeters. If you ask children how we get the marking, so this can be 3 or 4 mark questions. So first very important thing is that when you draw this line perpendicular bisector, generally you will get 1 mark here to draw a perpendicular bisector. To draw the second circle you will get, generally this is what I am telling how you will get the marks. So perpendicular bisector will fetch you 1 mark, okay, and then another mark for drawing second circle. If you have a third mark, then you will get for this answer. If it is a 4 mark question, you will get 1 mark for finding A and B and joining with PA PB, and finally 1 mark you will get for finding the length of the tangent. So this is generally 3 or 4 mark question, and in 2019 I see children, this is question 4C in the compulsory section. This is question 4C in the compulsory section of ICSE, and it carries 4 marks. So kindly do practice, children. And next video we will have one video on incircle part 3, and part 4 we will have on circumcircle. So 2 each we will have, one incircle for triangle and hexagon, and we will have part 5, 6 for incircle of circumcircle of triangle and hexagon. So thank you children for watching this construction video.